Hello guys, today I show you how to replace the windshield rubber actually under the windshield rubber on the BMW E46. As you can see, mine is in bad condition and I wanted to change this. It's quite a big hole, hope you can see it. So first you have to buy new part. As you can see, I already have mine. I can show you the number. Okay, so here it is, made in Germany, BMW Group. Here you have part number. And today I will replace this. So let's begin. Okay, first what you have to do is open the hood, pop up the hood, and the first thing you want to do is remove swiper. You do it like on this way. This is just a plastic up on the bolt. Then you release the bolts, remove them. After this we will remove cabin filter, and actually maybe not, but I think yes, I think that you have to remove this. Then you remove this rubber and then you just pull this up. I will show you on the when I get to this part. So after removing the cover from the cabin filter and removing the windshield wipers, I already opened this new part, and as you can see, the back it has plastic, I don't know how you call it. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. I already seen that I will have to remove this rubber. This has to go down from the old one because I will need it on the new one. So this goes down. We'll leave it here, and after this you just pull this up. So let's give it a try. Just be careful. 1, 2. Okay, one is broken, no problem because it's old one. New part comes with new plastic connectors. And the one that holds is here. Okay, I will have to do this with both hands, so later. So after removing this old rubber part, as you can see, in some here is a hole. Here is the old connector stuck, but so I just removed this, but I also have to remove this. So in the new part they come, so I will remove the old one. So I want have hole like this one, and then I can just insert new part with new plastics. So first I will remove all those. I will clean the windshield and then I will install the new rubber. So as you can see, I have cleaned this a little bit, remove all the plastics from the holes, and now I'm ready to install this new part. So let's see. Yeah, it goes just up on the shield. There and here. Make this fit. It's in. Let's see here. It's in. It's in and in. So. And that's it. So all the clicks 7 times. So you just push it down like this, and when you hear the click, that's it. It's in the place. So okay, let's see. Now you can see rubber like new, because it's new. So that's it. So return all the old what you have removed. So let's go like this rubber first. It's also on the click, as you can hear it. That's it. So rubber on the place. The cover from the cabin filter. The old plastic. One. 2 and 3. So that's it, and I will return the wipe zipper and will show you again. So as you can see, my wipers are back on, and the new rubber under the windshield, and that's it. It's not a big deal. Still I have left a cover to replace. Actually first I need to repaint it and then replace, because the old one I have lost it. I don't know where and when, but I lost it. So I have new parts, so I just have to repaint and install it. But rubber, now you can see new rubber, and that looks much better than the old one. So thank you for watching. Bye.